The Big Story Art Studio presents floor painting, sensory path games to engage kids in your home and school. Benefits: it helps to build nerve connection in the brain. It supports language development. It encourages scientific thinking and problem solving. It can involve mindful activities which are beneficial for all children.
And a kiss and then I love you. Won't you say you love me too? Love you kids, we love you. We are one big family with a hug and a kiss and then I love you. Won't you say you love me too?
Whether it's raining or sunny, no matter what happens, you all are very special to me.
I love you, you love me. We're best friends like friends should be. With a big bear hug and a kiss from me to you. Won't you say you love me too?
She's very lonely.
I won 3 rounds. So this is what happens. So this is how the game goes. You have to play your game and make sure that each of them are on a straight line. Like basically be diagonally, it could be straight, vertically, anyhow, but it just has to be on a straight line. So I actually won this game right now, and I'm blushing.
Yeah, nice.
And you have to do it with sense, so you have to use your sense. That's why it's called sensory part.
Thank you.
And we have another one here, so
Hey
it's not
kids,
just one set
click
of
the
people playing.
subscribe
You
button
have
and
two
join the fun.
sets of people playing the game. Loser.
Yeah, she has not actually won the game. It's not that we have given her the chance to win the game. So, as a man, you just have to allow the lady take the first lead. So, thanks for this. Have a great day.
Whether it's raining or sunny, no matter what happens, you all are